Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some chicken. So over here we have some chicken. I have about 2 whole chickens in here. I know it's a lot, but I'm preparing some food for my guests who are coming over. So I have 2 whole free-range chicken or kienyeji chickens. And then here I have my ingredients. So we have some onions. I'm using spring onions ama kitunguu nyasi. Then you have some kitunguu saumu or garlic. Have about 7 cloves. Have some hoho here. I have some tomato paste I'll be using. Have some nyanyas here. Tomatoes, I've cut them up. Have some carrots, I've also cut them up. I have my roiko. I use roiko. Some people don't like roiko, so if you don't like, you can eliminate it. But I like it, so I'll use that. Have some salt and some cooking oil. So with my chicken over here, I'm going to place it on the heat and then add some salt and cover it so that it can steam and cook for about 20 minutes, and then we can get to frying. So let's get started. So as you can see, my kuku is already on the heat. I'm using a jiko because of the amount. That's why there's some smoke. And then I'm going to cover this and let this steam so that the meat can become a little bit softer. So here's my lid, and then I'll come check it out after some time. So here we have my chicken. It's already steamed and it's become as soft as I want it to be. I added a little bit of oil because my chicken is already fatty. So I'm going to add in my onions and then stir. And then after some time I'll add in some of the garlic that I have. So I'll stir this around and make sure that everything is all mixed up. And then I'll add in my garlic. In my garlic, I'm going to make it mix in with everything so nicely. So I've added in the garlic and the onions. As you can see, they're starting to turn translucent. So I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes so that the garlic can infuse into the chicken. And then after that, I'm going to add in my tomatoes and my tomato paste. So this is good. It looks so good and it smells nice already. So I'm going to add in my tomatoes. I'll put just all of it. And then I'll also put in my paste. And then let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes so that it can just cook. The paste can cook, the onions can become soft and mushy. And then I add everything into it. And then after that is when I'll add in my roiko. If you don't use roiko, you can add in the other spices that you like. But for me, I have just the roiko. That's what I'm going to add in. So I'll stir this. I can't stir with one hand because this will fall off the jiko. So I have to stir it off camera. So my chicken is looking good already. I've mixed the tomatoes and the paste. I've stirred it in and let it cook for a few minutes. So now I'm going to add in my roiko. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons because they were 2 whole chickens. So tablespoons of roiko. This is just to give it some flavor. And that's about it. And then now I'll add in also my carrots. And then I'll also add in some of these green peppers. So I'll add kidogo now, and then I'll add later towards the end. I'll add more of the hohos, the bell peppers. Yeah, so I'll stir this in and then cover, and then I'll add some water to make some stew. I'll show you guys when I get there. So that's how it looks with everything stirred in. So I'm going to add in my water. It's actually some of the stock from the chicken that I used. I'm adding it in. The one that we used to steam, I separated it from the chicken and then set it aside. So that's what I'm adding. It has the flavor. So it's better than adding water. and it's going to give it some flavor. And I know some people always add their Royco into water aside and then mix it together and then pour it to the food. Me, I do it differently. So I pour the Royco on the food already and then now add in the water. But you can do it however you want, whatever suits you, you do it. So I'm going to mix this up and then let this boil. Here's my stew. It's all done, ready to be served. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Please make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.